It's your travel agent, David, and we are in downtown Las Vegas, and we're going to go check out Circa. Now, Circa is the newest hotel here on Fremont Street. It opened just in time for the pandemic in 2020. Now, it was also designed by Derek and Greg Stevens. They're the owners of the Big D. And another cool thing about here is if you're staying at the Big D or if you're staying at the Golden Gate, you can come here and use the pool. You get some free drinks over here at the bar as well. So it's built on the former site of the Las Vegas Club, Mermaid Casino, and Glitter Gulch, replacing the demolished buildings. It has 618 rooms, a 480-foot tall tower, and a 35-story structure. Circa is the tallest building on Fremont Street. It also has a 2-story casino floor with 1,350 slots and 49 gaming tables, and is home to the world's largest sports book, spanning 3 floors and equipped with 78 million pixel 3-story LED screens. So let's go check that out. Now, Circa, you have to be 21 and up to come into, so you will get carded. So don't be trying to fake ID or anything. At the Golden Gate, I don't know about Big D's, but it's probably going to be the same. You can get a free drink or champagne over here at this Legacy Club. So it's right over here back by the concierge desk. Now, when I get home, I really have to talk to Heesian about getting one of these in the house. It's huge. Come to Circa and you find this game, just make sure you don't pick the Cowboys. You're going to be guaranteed to lose. So some other cool features about Circa is that it has a 6-tiered, temperature-controlled rooftop pool amphitheater, and it's open year-round. It has 6 pools, 2 spas, swim-up bars, a DJ booth, and a 143-foot LED screen. It's the largest pool screen in Vegas, and it's served via the tallest escalator in Las Vegas, making it a spectacular social hotspot. I want to give you an idea of how tall this TV screen is. Check this out. If you look down at the bottom, you can see a human, right? And it's insane compared to how big that TV is. It's really gotta get one for Christmas. So that's what the pool looks like. $25 to get in there. It's $22 and some change, and then $2 and some change entertainment tax. Anything to take your money. According to Mr. Miyagi, slot play, not just luck only. Slot play is life. Life needs balance. Be smart. Spin smooth. Win big. Let's talk about dining options here at Circa. You have Barry's Downtown Prime, which is a steakhouse and seafood. Has a 1950s-60s flair to it. You have Siganaw's Delicatessen, which is 24-hour operated. It's a deli, and it has 99-cent shrimp cocktails. So I don't know if you want to eat shrimp cocktails for 99 cents, but there you go. They have 8 East, which is a Pan-Asian cuisine. They have Project Barbecue, Victory Burger and Wings, and several other restaurants around here too. There are 6 bars and lounges, including the Legacy Club and the Mega Bar. Now, just to kind of recap again on it, it is a 21 and up hotel. You will get carded. They will scan your ID card, so you can't come in here with a fake ID unless you're really good. AAA 4 Diamond rated and a winner of Best North American Gaming Property from Global Gaming Awards in Vegas in 2021. It appears on Vegas Business List as the first ground-up casino in 40 years downtown, dubbed a game changer. So pros, it's the state-of-the-art sports book and unmatched viewing experience. Spectacular stadium swim pool with year-round use of and epic visuals. Strong dining and nightlife, combining fine dining with casual comfort. Sleek modern rooms with thoughtful tech and amenities. No family means upscale adult-focused ambiance, and iconic location remaining at the heart of Fremont Street. Now let's talk about some cons. It has its steeper room rates because it's newer and nicer. So if you want some nostalgia and save some money, this isn't the place for you. If you want something that's upscale but not on the strip, this is probably perfect for you. If you only want adults, this is the place for you. But a con is if you're traveling with your family, this place is out. The pools get very busy and the sports books can get loud and crowded. And another negative is a newer tone may feel less historic than neighboring classic casinos like Binion's, Four Queens, the Golden Nugget, or Plaza. So if you have any questions about Circa, you want to stay here, you want to do anything here at Circa, let me know and I will do my best to take care of any questions you have. And please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.